Okay, good. Guys, this is a sound comparison between the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd Gen and the Google device, which is the Google Nest Mini. First of all, I wanted to try something. It's the boot up time. What I did is I connected both of the power supplies to the my main plug here, and I'm going to see which one boots up quicker. Let's go. So plug that in. Now they're both plugged in, we're going to see which one boots up quicker. So as you can see, it seemed like the Google one booted up quicker. A lot of people ask which one sounds better, and I'm not sure myself, so I want to make sure that I know which one's better. As you can see, the Alexa does take a very long time to boot up, whereas the Google one's ready. So I've decided to put them side by side so you can determine which one sounds better. I'm going to be playing some music soon anyways. I'm just going to ask it a simple question, starting with Google. Hey Google, what is the diaphragm?
On the website medlineplus.gov, they say,
and you need to get more of this shit.
I just forgot that was a very stupid question to ask. Don't ask that if you don't want to know what it is. Hey Google, sing a song.
when in public wear a mask, just a teeny weeny task. It helps keep us safe and sound, health and care all around, on your mouth and on your nose.
Stop. As you can see, Google picked up my voice over that loud audio there, which was pretty good. Alexa, sing a song.
Hey there, glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two, anytime you're game. Get organized or...
Stop. So we're going to be playing music now on Spotify, and we're going to see which one can handle the most bass, keeping in mind that you can modify the bass and treble on both. So we're going to be starting with the Google with the music. Going volume up. And it has volume keys at the side, just tap. And the pause button is there on top. So what I have noticed with the Google is that it goes a little tinny when you turn it up to max volume. Okay, now we're doing the Alexa. What I like about the Alexa is it has an easy to access mute button, easy to access volume buttons, and an easy to access play. So let's go volume up.
Gorgeous fly. Neons like thunder is what keeps me up at night. No hurricane, only endless wonder. For a reason verified. To you, baby. What did
Okay guys, so that was a short sound comparison between the two, whichever one you think was better. Personally, I like the Google because it does a lot more, it sounds nice, it sounds nicer on a lower volume. Maybe when you turn it up to higher, that's maybe when Alexa can deal with some decent bass, but still, The Google does a lot more, it answers a lot more questions more frequently and more correctly, whereas the Alexa is more of a smart home controller, and that's more of a research-based device. So I prefer my research-based device. Google does a bit of everything, whereas the Alexa focuses on its main Amazon-based things. So yeah, the sound quality is equally good on both of them, which is great, but I do prefer the Google Nest Mini. But that is up to your opinion on which you guys prefer. Thanks for watching. Peace out.